Insurance premiums are the foundation of your protection plan. Let's break down what they are and how they actually work. A premium is simply the amount of money you pay to an insurance company in exchange for coverage. Think of it like a subscription fee. You pay this amount regardless of whether you file a claim or not. Insurers calculate premiums based on risk. The more risk you represent, or the more coverage you want, the higher the price tag. It is common to confuse premiums with deductibles. Remember, the premium is for the policy, the deductible is for the claim. Many people choose higher deductibles to lower their monthly premiums, but this means paying more if an accident actually happens. Insurance isn't about profit. It's about shifting the burden of a potential catastrophe away from your personal savings. Review your policy documents to understand your specific obligations. Thanks for watching and stay informed.